Not using your Facebook page anymore? Here's how to delete it. Open the Facebook app. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. You'll see a list of profiles. Find and select the page you manage. If you don't see it right away, click on the See All Profiles option. Once selected, Facebook will show a message saying, "You're now acting as your page." Now click on the profile picture again. Go to Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. On the left-hand side, scroll and find Access and Control. Click on it. Here, select the Delete Page option, then click on Continue. Facebook now gives you the option to download your photos and data, transfer your content to another account. If you don't need the data, just click Continue again. Now, enter your Facebook password. Select Continue. Click on the Delete page to confirm. Your page is now scheduled for deletion. It will be deleted after 30 days. You can restore your page anytime within the next 30 days. After 30 days, the page is permanently deleted forever. And that's it. For more tech videos, subscribe to Tech Simplify.